A message for you, Miss Stormwing.
Why would Meg Goodman need to talk? Let's see what that lizard wants. You've downgraded, Goodman. This isn't exactly a prime location.
Can't beat a place with 3 escape routes.
Why did you call me?
You've heard the rumors?
It's a part of my job, yes.
What if I told you the mayor is trying to stall the update? I just need proof. You get proof, I get leverage. I stop hiding in caves, and you get your TLC.
Try again. I've done fine without it. All I'm doing now is reading scripts and ramp damage control. What makes you think I'd be willing to do field work? Go to a hotspot, infiltrate an enemy camp, be a real reporter again? If I do it, we're even.
Yes.
And if I come up empty?
Then I keep hiding in caves. You keep pretending you don't care. And the mayor keeps thinking he's in charge.
They say an update is coming any moment. It could finally be my turn.
No, it's gotta be me this time. Keep dreaming.
Any news on the update? Asking for a friend.
If your friend's at camp, though, then no.
Little Mo. Perfect. You seem like the dime in charge. Mind if I ask you a few questions on behalf of Pterosaur Times?
I'm in charge enough. Ask away.
What is the current administration's position regarding updates?
The mayor says updates are a safety problem, or something. So we're keeping things safe. No updates, no problems. Know what I'm saying?
Right. Good work. Any plans for the future?
Sure. Getting rid of critters, removing the questing system, all kinds of rollbacks. For safety.
Mo! No! That's the Thal from BiRD News.
Thank you for your time.
Long time, Stormwing. Keep her alive. We might need her.
We can make this easier. Just give me the ramp.
You're wasting your time, Chief.
Fine. Have it your way. Put up the shield. Give me the ramp and you can eat. The ramp, and the mayor will let you go.
This is your fault. All of it.
I didn't tell her to go. She talked herself into it.
She's starving, I know it. She likes fish. Are they giving her fish?
My assistant's been sneaking her food. She's fine. Here's Kevin now. She's perfectly fine, right?
I don't know. This time she looked different. Leaner.
I knew it! They're not giving her fish! We have to go now!
We can't go without a plan, so you better come up with one now, Lizard.
I can pull some strings. Call in a few favors, but it takes time. Let me think.
Where's Ramford?
Gale!
Ramford, you have to leave. Now.
Gale, right, you first.
I don't know what you're saying. Put the fish down.
The team is working on a plan, but they're taking too long, so I'm doing it myself. You see the portal rocks here?
All you're doing is getting yourself caught. Go. Now.
Can hear you. Opening portal. Might get you out. Might end life as we know it.
Should we go look for her, boss?
If she's out, means the rest of them are coming. Let the mayor deal with his own mess. We regroup on Gondor.
Wow. Are you... Did you, It actually happened?
No time for this. We gotta get out of here.
Gale, I feel like this is a topic we should probably address in some detail, no?
Be quiet.
I think the coast is clear.
Finally, the ramp is mine.
Get out of our server.
So, Gale, it finally happened.
I guess things like this don't happen when you expect them to. They come when you're ready.
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
So did Ramford's portal actually work this time?
It actually did. I've been waiting for someone to bring it up. I didn't really want to brag, but, you know, some acknowledgement is nice.